Welcome to YouTube channel Math classes for 10th class children, class number 10. If you if you watch my channel first time, please do subscribe my channel. Press bell icon to get more updates about my videos. Like it and share it to your friends and classmates. If you did not watch my previous videos, please do watch my previous videos also. I will provide the links in the description box. So let's go to the today topic. So I am going to start today class. In my previous class, I explained properties of logarithms. The first property, I will recall once again. The first property, log xy base a, that is equal to log x base a plus log y base b. Second property, log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base b. So third property, log x to the power of m base a is equal to m log x base a. We already did some problems on these three properties. Here we have these we are used as a formulas. So some more formulas also there. So next formula, suppose a to the power of 1 is equal to a. So how can you change this one into logarithm form? So log a base a is equal to 1. This is also one of the formula. Log a base a is equal to 1. So one more formula. So 1 is equal to a to the power of 0. So any integer, it should, if it has a power 0, that value is always 1. If you have power of 0, any integer has a power of 0, that value is always 1. So how can you write in logarithm form? Log 1 base a is equal to 0. So this is the fifth formula. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. So one more problem. So one more formula. So n, capital N is equal to a to the power of m. Capital N is equal to a to the power of m. So how can you write this in logarithm form? So log capital N base a is equal to small m. Yeah. So now this is the formula. So a to the power of m, that's equal to n is equal to a to the power of n. So what is the m value is here? A to the power of log n base a. So if you have a to the power of log n base a, these two are same, you can write directly n. What you have here? N, no, you have to write like directly. It is also one formula. So sixth one is equal to n is equal to log, see, a to the power sorry, uh, log n base a to the power of log n base a, that's equal to capital N. What you have here, that number you have to write. So for example, log 5 to the power of log 625 base 5. Here base, here both base, two bases are same, so that's why you can write 625 is directly answer. Understood? Please note down this formulas in the classwork. Try this. Find the value of 32 log 2. Try this. So first problem. Find the value of log 32 base 2. Log 32 base 2. So let log 32 base 2 is equal to x. So it is a logarithm form. We have to change into exponential form. We have to change into exponential form. So what is the exponential of form, this one? Yes, you are correct. 32 is equal to 2 to the power of x. What are the factors of 32? 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1 2 3 4 5. So 32 we can express 2 to the power of 5. X is equal to 2 to the power of x. So here bases are equal, then x is equal to 5. Therefore log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. This is the one of the method. One more method also there. It is no need to write in classwork. Which one is easy for you, you can follow that. I will tell one another method. So log 32 base 2. One more method. So you can follow this or previous method. Okay, your wish. 32 we can write 2 to the power of 5 base 2. So how like it is log x to the power of m base a, that is equal to m log x base a. So 5 log 2 base 2. So one more formula also there. Log a base a is equal to 1. So 5 into 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. So both ways we get the same answer. So what is the easy for, which method is easy for you, you can follow it. Okay, no problem, but you have to write only one method only in a classwork. Second problem. So log root c and base c, log root c base c. So you can follow two methods here also. So it is equal to, we can write log root 2 is a radical form. We can express this one in a exponential form. What is the exponential form? 2 to the power of c to the power of 1 by 2. Root we can write exponential form 1 by 2 and c base c, that is equal to, how like it is, since log x to the power of m base a is equal to m log x base a. So that formula we can apply here. So 1 by 2 log c base c, log c and base c. So one more formula also we have, property also we have, log a base a is equal to 1. So 1 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is the value of log root c base c. Third problem. Find the value of log 0.001 base 10. Log 0.001 base 10. So we can write this one log 1 by I will convert this decimal into fraction 1 by 1000. Why? Because 1 in a thousands place. So base 10. So 1000, how can you write? Log 1 by 10 cube. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000 base 10. So we know that one exponential law 1 by root 10 is equal to a to the power of 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. I am going to apply this using formula. So log 10 to the power of minus 3 base 10. So how like it is? It is a log x power m. So log x to the power of m base a is equal to m log x base a. This formula I will apply here. So minus 3 log 10 base 10. So here how like it is? Log a base a, that is equal to 1. So minus 3 into 1, that is equal to minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 3. So fourth problem you have to do yourself. Now I am going to start exercise 1.5. So 1.5 first bit, determine the value of following. So before start this exercise, I request you all the students, first of all you solve the example problems, then you get the understanding, and then go to solve this exercise problems. It is very easy, then it is very easy for you. So I hope you practice first of all example problems, then go for solve the exercise problems. So first question, log 5 base 25. Log 5 base 25. Exercise 1.5 first one, log 5 base 25. So solution, let log 5 base 25 is equal to x. Okay, log 5 base 25. So it is converted into exponential form. He gave the logarithm form, we have to change into exponential form. So what is the exponential form? 5 is equal to 25 power x. So what? 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 25, we can write 5 square. 5 square x to the power of 5 square whole power x. So how like it is? A to the power of m whole power m. How can we write? Yes, you are correct. A to the power of m into n. So 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5 2 into x, it is 2x. 2 into x, it is 2x. It's very good. So bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So 2x is equal, you can write here, bases are equal, then exponents are equal. bases equal, then exponents also equal. So 1 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer for first problem. Third problem, log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16 base 2. We have to determine this value. So third problem, log 1 by 16 base 2. So let log 2, no need to write that like, so I'm going to apply here second method. Okay, log 1 by 16, I can write 16 factorization, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are, okay, 2 to the power of 4. Okay, right. So here one more exponential formula I am going to apply. 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. This one also I am going to apply here. Log 2 to the power of minus 4 log 2. So now how like it is log x to the power of m base a, that is equal to m log x base a. So that like only here it has minus 4 log 2 base 2. Again one more property, log a base a, that is equal to 1. So minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Otherwise you can go for x is log 1 by 16 is 1 by 16 base 2 is equal to x. Then you convert into exponents form and you change into exponential form and you can get the x value. Okay, here we have two methods. What is your convenience? Which method is convenient? So you can follow that method. So fourth one, log 1 base 7. Log 1 base 7. There is a one formula, log 1 base a is equal to 0. You can apply that formula and you can write the directly answer. Now it is same look like that exercise. See, try this problem. Same as it is a same as try this problem, third problem. So next sixth problem, log 512 base 2. So I am going to find this value. Sixth problem, log 512 base 2. So now you have to find 512 factorization. 2 2s are 4, 1 leave, 2 5s are 10, 1 leave, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 2 6 are 2 4s are 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 2s are there. So how can I express this in exponents form? Log, solution right here, log 2 to the power of 9 base 2. How like this? Log x to the power of m base a, that is equal, very good, you are correct, m log x base a. I am using this formula. So that is equal to 9 log 2 base 2. So how like this one? So it is also log a base a, that is equal to value 1. So now 9 into 1, that is equal to 9. What is the value? Therefore log 512 base 2 is equal to 9 is the answer. So log 0.01 base 10, it is same as the problem. Try this problem. So you have to do yourself. Next, eighth problem, log 2 by 27 base 2 by 3. So I am going to solve this eighth problem. Eighth problem, log 8 by 27 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So what are the factors of 8? 2 4s are 2 2s are. So 27 factors, 3 9s are 3 3s are. So solution here only started, that is equal to log 2 cube by 8. I wrote as a 2 to the power of 3. 27 how can I write? Yes, 3 cube, and 2 by 3 is the base. So now log 2 by 3 whole cube. Why? Because 2 has a cube, 3 has a cube, which are dividing. So I take the common out, whole square. I write the whole square. Base also 2 by 3. So now how like it is? So log x to the power of m base a, that is equal to m log x base a. So I applied this formula here. So what I get? Yes, 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So how like it is? Log a base a. I applied formula log a base a, that is equal to